My people, the person wey sleep with the 13-year-old boy, now remember the matter. Yes, now in fact, I think say this one sef na the second update wey I don bring for una. I dey keep una steady. Omo, the latest one now be say they don dey court for una wey no join us from the beginning. Person one sugar mommy rape one 13-year-old boy. You understand? When he rape am, the case now they don dey drag am. So finally now they caught, my people. And based on wetin the girl don dey talk now, the girl don talk say say they no fit arrest am. They no get any reason to arrest am. Why? Because according to am, na adult dating sites they meet, like they chat. And they know they write the age for face. They know they write the age. Some people will go even change their age because they know say they too young for that. So how she suppose know say this boy na 13 years old? And I tell una this thing before. I tell una say if this girl fit get correct lawyer, she go win this case. As I dey talk to una now, her lawyer, oh, I dey gbadu this lawyer. The lawyer come tell them say, okay, oh, since na the age matter we dey contemplate on, you understand? Ngwano na your pikin, so you suppose get in birth certificate. Go and bring the birth certificate, make we check the real age of the person wey we dey talk about. They refuse. So make una tell me now why they go refuse. The boy sef picture we no see. They no gree bring picture. They no gree bring birth certificate. They no. Why una dey deny that one? If truly una no say this boy na 13 years old, una for bring am. Abeg, I no even wan stress myself for this matter. Una see this matter, I don conclude am. May they just arrest wetin they call am. Whether they go arrest the boy if he dey lie. But una see that woman, may they just leave am. Make una free that woman because una dey accuse am of something. Ngwanu, she no know say the boy na 13 years old. So bring the thing where they show us say this boy na 13 years old. Abi? Simple. I told this thing before. When I talk am before, now they tell me say, I dey support am because na this one. I no support anybody. Una suppose know me by now. If I dey come here, they bring am straight. So make they free am. I know they see small children now, they too get audacity. What do they find for adult dating site 13 years old wey you dey call yourself? What do they find there? If truly you be 13 years, first of all, you don't, in fact, you don't, that thing self supposed to be crime. Underage, you dey go where your mama age mates they go. As for you, auntie, madam at the top, wait, look me where. Now you are the talk to. As for you, you understand? If you like, next time, no open your eye, look where. Just nego do her. Nego do in face. Nego do in face. Be like a bar where they no mold where. Short engine. You carry all these things, go put on top one, as they call am, one small boy. Even if you meet am online, make you just assume say you no know in age because they know they write am for face, they know they put am for the internet thing. Even if you know the day when you see am, why you no just find out? Why you no confirm the thing too they sweet you? You won't go discharge, you won't go do, you won't go. Abeg, make una close this case. If these people no fit provide birth certificates and in picture, because these boys say when we dey talk about, they just dey hide am, maybe like say na gold. If una no fit provide in picture birth certificate so that we go know, then make this case dey close. Very simple. I mean, my people, wetin una think? Now with my own conclusion be that. So any other one wey you get aside wetin I don talk, whether you are with me or you are not with me, drop am for that comment section. And make sure say you share this video, subscribe. If not, you go dey miss everything wey we get for you. Stay tuned for our next story. Hey! Hey! Onganu, see, na punching level now we dey enter. See, no be all those rikaba shaka. We know they do that one again. Now, if you want deal with devil now by punching, my people, hey, devil don't suffer. In fact, devil don't receive, not be small punching. No. If you see the kind bloody punching where devil don't sustain now. I dey sure say devil don't they bleed anyway where it dey. See where they punch. Prayer warriors. Una need see where this women they scatter. Abeg, make I no even waste our time because join me, make we watch the prayer warriors. Hey, Eliao. See Badura. I beg, where the, oh, I wish I even get devil picture self. Because no, I need ask him. I beg devil, wait till these people do you. Wait till they do. Because this one, more. No be ordinary prayer. And they should say the kind prayer for them to even start a punch. My people, Satan, nana, you no go recover from this one. This one, Satan no fit recover. You no fit come out alive from this one. Una see that woman wey wear white, that one wey be. When I first see her, I been thinking Ateni, the musician. I think Ateni because I couldn't wonder say she don't leave music now. Can they enter this one? That woman, the color of him problems, it be like rainbow. It plenty because the way she dey take the punching seriously. It be like saying that this woman born my Tyson. Now your mama be that. She do no the skills they in body. She sabian. Chineke. Wait, boy, I don't know say people they pray like this. So now all this while I never pray. If I don't say this thing they work, I for no wonder my village people sometimes they could just they touch some cables like that. From today, from today, I go start it. My prayer now with punching. So if you don't say they watch me now, you don't they wonder why your prayers not the answer. Don't bring a corner aside, you understand? Before I go to say, man, Aproko, you don't buy Range Rover, you don't tell us the secret. Now the secret be this. If you they pray, start they punch the we Undertaker and John Cena because una don't get customer for you. Serious customer. Africans. No be only Africans sef. My people see. Now why it's good to make money? It's good to make money because when I don't see where rich people they pray. No, rich people. No be those ones where get small coins. No be those ones. Rich people where if you see them, you even they perceive the money from their perfumes. Check where they pray. They know they straight. Money good. They feel just day like this. Amen. And they don't finish. Come see us. See where poor person they pray. You go not say this one, you don't enter. You go they pray. No, not just watch. I know they call them poor. Just they give an example. If you see where person will not get money, they pray. If they use all the anger, all the aggression, all the they pour them out in once. This one's now normal day, they no go do exercise. See how they just they fire. They fire. Now when I go lose weight by fire by force. I swear the thing I don't even feel stop they laugh. That mama will they see. That woman must be a Malian. She must be a Malian because imagine for this her age. Now she get the strength to the punch like this. Prayer good though, my people. But make una no go do the one way after una pray finish. We go start the rush and go hospital. You understand? It is very important. No, it's good. But no overdo. No overdo. Because I know see some places I bet some places they too exaggerate. They too carry the thing. I'll go one church. I'm not gonna mention the name. If you now see the kind, I don't just understand. My friend don't invite me to go to this church since. I can't say, oh yeah, now make a quick rest, make all of us go. May I not say I don't rest. My people, as we they go, now so we stop for one place. So. She say, hey, wait, driver, wait. I say, wait for waiting now. We know they go, we don't late. She say, wait, though, she need buy broom, she need buy padlock. I say, my sister, where will they go? You should say na church. He say, yes, so na church. I no buy you. Wait, concern me. Now so I just go when we enter. Hey, come see fire. People they sweep. They sweep as they pray. They say they sweep all the bad things we don't come their life. After the broom on, they carry padlock. Say they padlock all their enemy. In fact, I just hey. My people, I beg. Now why they tell us say it gets some things we not really they necessary. It good for them, or may they continue their belief. but I beg, if you know say you know they used to this thing, no do one. If they're very important, because before you go carry things like this, you need revelation. No go just they do because other people they do. Very, very important. Hey, plenty secrets just they come out. And after they see these women like this, I no go they shock, say they feel even they fight their husband. When they feel punch. Hey! If you marry any of this one, your name now sorry. Better see, take it easy in that house. Because they feel change up for you. That woman where they see say they tie wrapper, they look gentle, they do oh honey. If she set punch for you, you go they look for your wife, you go say, but honey, I saw you here just now. Now she make una dey very my people abeg on a serious note, forget say they laugh. Our mothers they try. You understand? No, make we just call the spade. They try. In as much as see, because women anything where you go tell them they do, as long as say now for make their children succeed, they ready to do. And mothers they be the best they be the best. Forget. No, which time when I don't see where one father they pray like that. I don't say men they pray, but I beg now no fit compare una to we women. Hey, no even try am. By the time we position our rapper like this, hey, start the cash. Una no go. I beg see anybody where they watch me now. You understand? Anytime when you make am for this life, remember your mama. It is very important. Forget how they laugh. It is very important. Make sure say you remember your mama because they try. See these women now. And they should say they don't do this since last night too. It is very important. No allow your mama prayer bless you. Then when he bless you, you just leave her. Because like this now, they right. You know go do well like that. You understand? It is very important. Now why I bring this matter? So I beg. I don't bring una forget joking for this one. But still focus on the good part of this thing. You understand? So now why I bring una this matter so that una go know what till they happen. So start to drop the comment for that comment section and don't forget to subscribe. If not, you no go know how to pray next time. Maybe the next one will be another interesting one. You understand? And I'm not sure say you won't miss one. Stay tuned for our next story.